everyone, my name is Tashiga. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the gas flow. First, make sure that the welder is on. Then we go to the gas bottle and make sure that the flow regulator is closed and the main valve is opened. Now we go back to the welder. Go to the setting menu, press the gas valve button and open the gas valve. We go back to the gas bottle and open it to 2 liters per minute. Go back to the welder and close the gas valve. If you want to know how to change the gas bottle, click on the link in the description down below.